Day 26 of my 30-day Bikram Hot Yoga Challenge. Awesome hot class today. Overall, strong in the postures. Mark taught class today. Very balanced, strong class. Got here a couple of minutes before class began. And didn't have much setup time, but got set up. Breathing, pranayama breathing seemed to go on for a long time today. Not sure what it was. Just was what it was. That's what it was. Backward bending was good. Ardha Chandrasana, half moon. Standing Padahastasana, hands to feet. On the second set, I actually put my hands underneath my heels for a little while, just to kind of get them there, feel the stretch, get them used to where they're going to go in the near future. Good strength in Dandayamana Janusharasana, standing head to knee. Standing bow pulling pose, Dandayamana Dhanurasana. Fell out a little bit at the end in the first set. Second set was very strong. Trikonasana triangle, very strong today. Toe stand, Padangusthasana, very strong going down. Came back up nicely, both hands in prayer position. Floor postures, really strong. Salabhasana. Didn't get the height I normally do, listening to Mark. Posture was what it was today. Kept my focus on the mat today. Didn't allow my eyes or my mind to wander too much. Just worked on the postures. Didn't have to drink too much water today. Stayed away from it in standing postures. Had a little bit in Savasana. Then drank some during floor postures. Felt really good, really strong. Still struggling a little bit with the compression postures because of my belly. I know things are going on at the cellular level, in the muscles, cells, bones, organs, and that's good. 4 more days to go on the 30-day challenge. Loving it, feeling good, getting stronger every day, more energy, sleeping well, getting up early. Namaste.